This is the Quaife differential, which we had commissioned 10-12 years ago maybe. Predominantly we got it for the V8 XKR X100 was what the initial plan. It then developed into being available for some of the later cars as well. The reason we had it done was because when the V8 range of vehicles came out, we didn't have limited slip diffs. In the earlier cars we had limited slip diffs which were a plate and clutch type diff. We used that, they go all the way back to E-type, and they've been around for donkey's years. When the V8 came out, they dropped it from the range, and all we had was traction control. But the problem with traction control was it just literally shut the throttle down, so therefore you were losing even more traction.
To help us understand this a bit further, Tom, we're under an XJ8 XJR.
Yeah. So the predominant difference, what does an LSD do against a standard diff? Well, a standard diff is what we call an open diff. And an open diff basically means, or the easiest way to identify an open diff is when I rotate the wheels, one goes one way and one goes the other.
Yes, I can see that, yeah.
And what effectively that means is if this wheel was on tarmac and this wheel was on grass, i.e. a slippy surface, all the power from the diff will go to the wheel that's on the slippy surface, and this wheel will spin, and then the traction control will see that this wheel's not moving as fast and it will shut the throttle down, and then you'll just limp off. So from a traction point of view, it's not ideal. Right, so now I'm going to show you the difference of a vehicle that has got a limited slip diff in it. So this is an XJS, and this will have an early type or a plate clutch type diff in it, which is still a good limited slip diff, but it works differently. And when I push the wheels, you will notice that they both go in the same direction, and this will indicate that the vehicle has got a limited slip diff. So therefore, when the power comes into the differential, as one wheel starts to spin, the clutches inside the diff will effectively bind up and transfer equal amounts of drive to both wheels. And this is when you see someone doing a wheel spin and you get 2 tyre marks against 1. The earlier car we'd only get 1 tyre mark, so 1 wheel drive, whereas with a limited slip diff you'll get 2 tyre marks, 11s is up the road, therefore 2-wheel drive and far more traction. We did this because we had customers that wanted to tune their XKRs, go and do track days and things of that nature, and having an open diff is really limiting. So we looked at the earlier type of limited slip diff, which we could actually make fit into an XK.
So that was from a 6-cylinder car, was it?
Yeah, it's from an earlier 6-cylinder car. So I can actually make a differential out of an XJ40 and an X300 fit into an XK8. But it is quite a lot of work, and other than just replacing the diff, there's more components you need, and it's not quite as straightforward as that. So we asked Quaife to build this unit, and now we're in a situation where we can just take an XK diff, take the centre out, the open centre, and fit the Quaife unit, and then just refit it back into the car. So it's a much simpler task to carry out. And then as it evolved, we then did it for the aluminium bodied car. So now we're in a situation where we can do any steel bodied X100, 4 litre 4.2. We can do the X308, XJRs, etc., steel bodied. And then we can also go S Type R, XJR aluminium bodied, so 350. We can also do XKR 150 up to 4.2. So this is our XK8 race car, belongs to one of our friends, customers, Derek Pierce. We built this car back in 2013, largely to test some of our products, one of them being the Quaife. There is no way that you can run a car on the track and be on the pace and be successful without a limited slip diff of sorts. So for this car, the Quaife was the answer. I've driven this car with an open diff and with a Quaife diff in it, and you're talking sort of 2.5–3 seconds a lap easily. So we just simply wouldn't be on the pace without it. Right, despite everyone referencing the Quaife diff as a LSD or a limited slip differential, it's not. It's an automatic torque biasing differential, which indicates that there is no clutch plates and wearable components such as that, which is one of the reasons why Quaife offer such an excellent guarantee with it. It's a 25-year lifetime guarantee with this unit, with everyone purchased. Right, so I hope that's given you a quick overview of what the Quaife does and how it works. And if you have any more questions, by all means, you can give us send us an email or get in touch, and we can also give prices for your own individual vehicle should you wish to have one fitted.